Hi Year 9, I'm Miss Green and I'm History Lead at Haggerston. I'm here to tell you a little bit about GCSE History at Haggerston and why it is such an excellent choice. So first of all, I want to talk through the structure of History GCSE. In terms of how you'll be assessed, there is paper 1 worth 30% on migration in Britain from 800 to present, along with a thematic case study on Notting Hill. There is paper 2, which is your biggest paper, that's 40%, Cold War and half early Elizabethan England. And then there is paper 3, 30%, that is Weimar and Nazi Germany. So a successful historian at GCSE is eager to learn, ready to express opinions, very keen to argue and debate, eager to interrogate sources and interpretations, curious about the past and the present, well-organised, hardworking, and a reader and a writer. You can infer from what I've just listed that we do a lot of debating, we do a lot of discussing, a lot of interrogating sources and interpretations, and building on loads of the key skills that you have built in Key Stage 3. So I'm just going to quickly talk you through the roadmap of study. First of all, in Year 10, you'll study migration to Britain 800 to present. So you'll see over here on the left-hand side, we go from the Vikings to the Renaissance era, to the industrial era, to the modern era, and then what's been happening from the mid-century in Notting Hill. We look at the context of migration, the change in society in Britain, the experience of migrants, and the impact of migrants. Some of the skills that you use here include evaluation, comparison, causation, and source analysis. Next, we go on to early Elizabethan England. So we look at some of the challenges she faced when she came to the throne, the challenges she faced from abroad, and a lot of the threats she faced. And we took a close look at Elizabethan society and the age of exploration. Some of the skills that you'll look at here are causation, evaluation, and significance. Next, we go on to Weimar and Nazi Germany. We look at the establishment of the Weimar Republic after World War I, Hitler's rise to power, and Nazi control and Hitler's dictatorship. You'll use the skills of source inference, source utility, interpretations, analysis, and causation. And lastly, we look at superpowers and the Cold War. Origins of the Cold War first, then a series of Cold War crises in the mid-century, and then the end of the Cold War. You'll use skills of cause and consequence, significance, and narrative. So what skills does GCSE History equip you with? People with a GCSE in History have strong communication, great analytical skills, they can form arguments, they can be persuasive, they can handle vast amounts of evidence, and they can make really good decisions and problem solve based on that evidence. Also, you very clearly know how to articulate yourself if you've done a History GCSE, and that is really impressive to colleges, universities, and apprenticeships, and whatever you want to do after. History GCSE is a really fantastic stepping stone into all of these areas that I've written here and many, many more, namely law, economics, politics, advertising, finance, journalism, education, and business. Really hope you choose GCSE History. It is a fantastic choice, and do just let anyone in the history department know if you have any questions at all. Thank you.